So initially, found you online. There's quite a few chiropractors in and around Chichester, to be fair, and I wanted something that I could book online with ease, instantly, without having to speak to someone.
And what was it that initially kind of caused you to seek the care of a chiropractor?
I think for quite a while, I've been suffering with lower back pain. Played rugby for many years, and so I guess the pressure of doing that, never having really sought any medical attention, and then heading back to gym, I needed some support, and yeah, that was what brought me to chiropractor.
And what's your experience of it been so far?
You know, I rarely suffer from lower back pain. I still exercise and do all the things that would have given me back pain, and yet it's alleviated most of the problems, and when they do return, they get sorted.
And do you find treatment to be comfortable?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's, you know, it's is it comfortable? Yes, it is comfortable. There's no, you know, I don't experience any pain, more relief, I think.
And would you recommend chiropractic to other people?
Without a doubt. But what I do know is that there's a few, you know, types of chiropractors. So possibly it's finding the right one for you. But yeah, definitely recommend chiropractic.
Cool, beautiful.